I always love a new delivery of a toy. So I've got this, it's from Neewer. It's a new microphone. It's the NW700. Haven't even opened it yet, still in its packaging. So luckily, you guys get to see it first. Let's open her up. Alright, here we go. So I got this on Amazon. I thought I'd get a just a different microphone. My little Rode video mic Go is fantastic, but I thought I'd just get something different for especially when I'm at home. So this is what it is. It's the Neewer condenser microphone kit. It's stable, low noise, and portable. This is what you want in a microphone. Alright, let's crack this open. There's times when you need a pocket knife. Or one of these. It'll do. So this is essentially all packed into here. So we'll just get it out. Let's have a look. One by one. This is obviously the scissor lift. Here we go. Some stuff there. You get a little Neewer VIP book. This is to set up the power supply. So that's the cable. It seems to be, I might be able to, I'll see what I do. That's the microphone. The shield. And the clamp. Okay. Let's have a look at this. Oh, it's nice. Would have liked a golden microphone, but this will do. So this is the cable. Okay, that's fine. This looks pretty cool. Oh, here we go. That's pretty smart. It's got a little thing that you do like that, and then you just pop that through, and there you go. Easy done. Now let's get the scissor lift out. So this end with the silver is where the microphone goes. Alright, let's screw this in. There we go. The other side of this is the clamp. Pretty basic, pretty simple. You loosen this up. You unscrew this part at the back. We'll pop this here first. Pop this in here. Screw that in. And we are just about set to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's put this baby in. Done. And then the cable. So this is pretty much it. This is what she looks like. Pretty schmick. Pretty fancy. Let's see if we can plug this in and make it work. Right. They do suggest we use the power supply, but I kind of don't have one. So let's see what we can make of this. It also comes with a little sock. So it can be, so that can be covered up. Right on there. But it also comes with a little wind shield which goes in front of the microphone. And then this is meant to go about here, right. And this is meant to go here. So then you're in front of the microphone like this. So let's see if it works. Just take out the Rode microphone. Test 1 2 1 2. Test. So guys, I'm actually really impressed with this microphone. As soon as we plugged it in, you saw on the test just before this, as soon as it plugged in, it cut out any background noise. The little Rode Video Mic Go that I have is great, but it does pick up some background noise. It's an ambient microphone. Obviously, this is more of a condenser microphone. It's more focused in what's happening in just this immediate area, so it's just picking up my voice. I've got a server that's whirring in the background here. I can't hear it when this microphone's in, as we saw in the test, and as you're probably listening to now. For about $35 I paid for this on Amazon. I really can't be anything but impressed with it. It's really good for something at that price range. It's really easy to assemble. I mean, you pretty much plug it in and it's ready to go. It comes with everything it needs. Yes, you can go and get the power pack if you want, to have more audio quality. For what I'm using it for, I'm happy with it. It does what I need to do, so I'm not complaining. Neewer, I think, have hit a bit of a home run with this one. It's a decent microphone. I'm starting to think Neewer's coming out into the market a bit more, and they're doing some good things. By fluke, I actually have brought a Neewer product before. It's some filters for my Mavic Pro, and they work fine, no problem at all. And I obviously recognize the name. I thought, okay, it's a great price. I know the name. They deliver very quickly. I got this within 3 days, and I'm in Australia. And so far, I'm really impressed with this microphone. To me, it sounds fine. I'd love to hear from any people who have had more experience with microphones, potentially other vloggers who use a setup like this. If they think the sound quality is a bit so-so, I'd love to hear. But at this stage, I really think this is not a bad little rig. So Neewer, you've done an absolutely fantastic job. Just so everyone knows, this is not paid. I forked out the $35 for myself because I wanted a microphone set up like this, and I really like it. Looks semi-professional, which is good. And when you can get something like that for such a cheap price, it's a win-win for everybody, really. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a Neewer NW700 microphone kit. It's a condenser microphone. It is only about $35 on Amazon. I'm going to put the link on the description for the Amazon site, as well as I'll put the link on for the Neewer site. Check it out, guys. It could be a really good alternative. Obviously, there are some other brands which are more expensive, and rightfully so. They're fantastic products, but for this sort of budget and like a small vlogging setup, this actually might be a pretty good alternative to the higher range brands, at least to start out with. So check it out, guys. Like I said, links are in the description. If you have any questions or any comments about this, or any information about whether you've used Neewer before or not, pop it in the comments. It would be great to hear. I'm really impressed. Alright guys, thanks very much. Have a great night.